Hi there, I'm Liz Christofferson, founder and CEO of Empower Consulting Group. In addition to providing strategic support for mission community services, I'm the facilitator for the Explore Design Launch program, and that's what I'm here to share with you about today. If you're a small business owner or aspiring entrepreneur with lots of passion, and you're thinking about how to share your gifts in a bigger way, or maybe the shelter in place has impacted your ability to serve your clients, we can help you find new ways to do your work, make an impact, and earn an income. Or perhaps you're that small business owner who already has built a solid business and you're hesitating to launch what's next because you need help getting the details right. Well, here's what I know to be true based on my experience developing strategies, training, coaching, and mentoring business leaders in luxury and lifestyle brands all over the world. When we simplify things like our vision and our plan, take a small step or action while facing and letting go of fears, we gain momentum. And that's what Explore Design Launch is all about, helping you have more ease, create cash flow, connect with your community, and gain valuable insight. So we'll be covering the fundamentals of owning and operating a business, creating a business plan, looking at things like financial feasibility, budgeting, cash flow, marketing, and so much more. It's intended to help you answer the question, is starting a business right for you? And how will you build that business that you want to start? And new, we're adding some things related to working under the new COVID-19 regulations and operating environment. So we'll be covering working remotely, we'll be covering e-commerce, we'll be covering things like cash flow and cash flow triage and business continuity planning and lots more good stuff. In addition to all that great, wonderful goodness that you're going to get from the way of content, you'll receive mentoring and accountability from me. The intent is to help you gain confidence through doable steps that align to what matters most to you. Building a business takes time. Taking small steps quickly leads to more clarity and confidence. And rest assured, you'll receive guidance to move forward, even as we navigate the challenges of a brave new world. This is a $18.95 value, $1,895. All we're asking is a $100 refundable deposit at registration, and that money actually will be refunded to you at graduation. We'll meet over 10 sessions from June 9th to July 16th virtually, so we don't have to be in the classroom necessarily. We'll be meeting just like I'm talking to you right now, Tuesdays and Thursdays, 4 to 6:30. All you need is an internet connection and a digital device or a telephone or a phone connection. The best place to learn more about this program is to visit the Mission Community Services website and go to the classes section, and you'll see it right there. There's a link to more information and to register. It might seem unrealistic with so much feeling of uncertainty and out of control, but don't let that stop you from plotting the course for what's next for you. Right now, we need business leaders who have a vision, want to make an impact, and are willing to clear the way forward. Together, we'll restore confidence, we'll reinvent and rebuild your business vision, we'll work through how to proceed via your business plan, and you'll rebound stronger and better. Where you focus and the action you take now during this state of contraction determines how quickly and how far you will climb once the economy recovers. Investing in you is the best investment you can make right now. Your business is a reflection of you. When you grow, your business grows. So join us and live in your zone of genius. Your zone of genius is where you will create the most impact for your business, your life, and all those you serve. It's where you come alive as a leader, a visionary, and a creator. So register today because I can't wait to work with you.